fun and sporty. Great MPG. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at the superb-looking 2007 Mazda 5. Score this fantastic Mazda 5 at a brilliant price that you can easily afford. This 2007 Mazda 5 4-door touring hatchback features a 2.3 LL4 DOHC 16V 4-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 5-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is true silver metallic with a black oak interior. It is covered by a limited warranty. Call now at 201-200-1100 or visit www.instateauto.com. You can see more photos of this vehicle, free Carfax reports and over 300 more cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Auto financing is available on most vehicles, all credit accepted. We provide all the paperwork, bill of sale, titles, reassignments and tent tags. Buy right off the LOT. We open at 9 a.m. every day. Air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel radio controls, moonroof, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, keyless entry, security system, ABS brakes, rear defogger, fog lights, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, CD changer, cloth interior surface cup holders, heated mirrors, premium sound.